Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Linear Inequalities Exercise 6.3 second sum. Let's see the question. Solve the following inequalities graphically. So we are going to solve it by graphical. Now they are given 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 12, and another equation is x is greater than or equal to 1, y is greater than or equal to 2. So we are going to solve the three equation for this. I am going to take 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Same way let x is equal to 1 and let y is equal to 2. So plot the point for it. If I take x is 0, then my y will be equal to 6, because here 2 will come down, so it will become 12. 12 divided by 2 will become 6. Same way, if I take y to be 0, then my x is equal to 3 4s are 12, so it will be 4. Here we know that x is 1, so it will be 1 for all the values, so 0 1. Here we know that y is equal to 2, so it is 2 for all the values, so x can be 0 1. Now we can plot all the points. Let me plot it in the graph. Here in the graph, for the first equation, 3x plus 2y equal to 12, 0, 6 and 4, 0. So join these two. This is the graph for the linear equation, graph for the first equation. Now for the second one, x is equal to 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is the graph of x is equal to 1. This is the graph of 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 12. Now for y is greater than or equal to 2, 0, 2, 1, 2. Extend the graph, it will be of graph line equation parallel to x-axis, because if it is y is equal to, it will be parallel to x-axis. If it is x is equal to, it will be parallel to y-axis. Now substitute, take any point of the graph. I am going to take 0, 0 for all the three. Let me see the solution. If I take 0, 0 for x and y, here it becomes 0 is less than or equal to 12, which is true. Substituting 0, 0, it becomes 0 is less than or equal to 12, which is true. Here if I substitute 0, it will be, this is false, because it is not greater than or equal to 1, it is less than. Here 0 greater than or equal to 2, even this is false. Substituting the value of 0, 0 in all the three graph, I am getting one is true, the other two are false. So I know that for this is true. This is true means it should be on the 0, 0. It should be towards 0, 0. So shade the portion towards 0, 0. It should be towards 0, 0. The rest it should be away. For away, here we know that this is the portion which is away 0, 0. And now for the other graph, even that is false, so it should be away. The line is here, it should be on the top. So this is the area where three things meet together. This is the area where all the three shaded region meet together. So we can see clearly that here all the three graph meet. So this is the solution we want. So you can write towards the origin, the rest of the graph are away from the origin. So x is greater than 1 and y is greater than or equal to 2 is away from the origin. So while shading these two are away from the origin, we get therefore the common shaded region. Common shaded region shows the solution of the inequalities. So this is the common shaded region. This shows the solution of the three linear equations. This shows the inequality solution. That's all with the sum. Thank you.